Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this beautiful wig that I have installed. Today's hair sponsor is Premier Lace Wigs. I have installed a 22-inch 13 by 6 a really deep parting space HD lace front wig. This is also the thin HD lace. As you guys can see, you can definitely wear this frontal wig glueless. So that is the wig glueless, you guys. Looks pretty good. I like to use this little section, like the sideburn section, and hold it down as I'm like securing it. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I just want to remove the spray line that I have here because that's a giveaway. Clean up the lace, but just lightly, right? Like you don't want to put too much water on that spot where you obviously use hairspray because it's going to start lifting up. I don't know, I think I put the wig too close down. I might have to fix that. I'm trying to see if I can just leave it without baby hairs. Girl. I'm actually pushing it back just a little. And just like the slightest bit like makes a huge difference. It's unfortunate that all of that had to happen. Like I was pretty much done with the install, but I don't know, I'm just a perfectionist. Like if I don't love it, I'm not gonna feel comfortable doing it, like leaving it like that. So it looks like we're gonna do a no baby hair look. Because this is like a looser curl pattern, I really want to define these curls because without that, it's not going to really look like much of anything. So we're really saturating her with the water. Gonna be using my OG Jamaican black castor oil smoothie. I just love how this smells. Like every time I use it, I'm like, oh my God, it smells so good. I think it looks better without the baby hairs. I'm happy with how it turned out. The wig does come pre-bleached, as I mentioned earlier, but it was like on the lighter side. I was bleaching some of my other units as well, so I just figured I'll go ahead and bleach the knots as well. I noticed like around the hairline, like the front of the hair, the knots were more visible there, but it was definitely pre-bleached. I just wanted it bleached a little bit more for my own liking, so that's what I went ahead and did. This unit has such a deep parting space. I really wanted to showcase that parting space. I did have a little experience, a little situation when I was trying to actually install the wig. The lace was so thin that it really did secure really fast, but I did put the wig too far down for my liking. Like I was just looking like I had like no forehead like this. That just didn't look cute for me, so I had to like shift her back. As I was shifting her back, I realized that wow, this lace is so beautiful that it doesn't need baby hairs. Now if you guys look at the lace, like it really is that girl. You can definitely wear this wig glueless. As you guys saw, I did have the wig glueless on in the beginning and it looked really good. It didn't need to be secured or anything, but it's actually really cute. It's a really natural looking style. When it comes to like the baby hairs and the parting space and like those types of things, I tried to do different styles of that so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm rambling on about the baby hairs, like it's not that serious. So yeah, we did do a no baby hair look and it actually came out really well, and it's just giving like really natural wave, beachy waves. I would definitely recommend you guys checking them out. If this is something that you guys might be into, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box. There's a coupon code, it's caviar10. You can save $10 off your purchase if you want to purchase this wig. The link is going to be in the description box below. That is my final thoughts on this unit. It is really cute and I think, you know, this might be really good for a lot of you girls. Let me know what you guys think on this unit in the comment section below. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.